Hello gorgeous, here are some style hacks for you. So your dress looks unflattering? Try this. Simply use a bracelet and a hair tie to help accentuate your waistline. So secure the bangle with a rubber band and there you go. Here is your stylish look. And next, take your shirt from middle and from its one side. Now give zigzag folds and secure with the rubber band. Now set it and your stylish shirt is ready. So next is a cardigan top style hack for you. Here is a trick in it. So button it up like this to have a really fit cardigan top. Now tuck in the neckline and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. So next again, here is a shirt hack. Grab your shirt from both of the sides, roll it and secure the rolls with the help of a hair tie or a rubber band like this. Now set it and tuck it in and you are done. And next is a sweater trick for you. Wear your sweater so it is very loose. Now use a belt and pull the sweater over the belt and hide the belt under it like this and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. So it was the simplest trick and you can modify your sweater like this very easily. Tucked in shirt too bulky. So try this hack. Simply fold your shirt in like this and button on the opposite sides. Now set it and your gorgeous look is ready. And here are 3 fall fashion hacks for you. Now here is a trick that how you can handle the sleeves of your coat. Here is a sweater hack. Simply button on the opposite sides like this and you are done. Here is again a shirt hack for you. Simply pass the edges of your shirt through the hooks of your pant and tie a knot. Then tuck it in and you are done. I hope you are going to like these style hacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.